Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Tepig is probably one of the most sought-after Fire-type Pokémon in the world, known for its fiery spirit and powerful attacks. Whether you're a seasoned trainer looking to add a formidable force to your team or a new player embarking on your Pokémon journey, understanding Tepig's strengths and weaknesses is crucial for success. This guide will delve into everything you need to know about this adorable yet fierce creature, from its evolution line to its best movesets and strategic advantages in battles. Number 5. Pokémon Collector Chest Spring 2021. Get ready for an exciting adventure with the Pokémon Collector Chest Spring 2021. It's packed with everything a trainer needs to level up their game. Inside, you'll discover 5 Pokémon TCG booster packs to expand your collection. You might even find some rare cards to add to your deck. Show off your allegiance with 2 foil promo cards featuring Single Strike Tepig and Rapid Strike Shinx. These special cards are a must-have for any fan. Accessorize your Pokémon journey with 2 cool coins and 4 colorful sticker sheets. Plus, keep your favorite cards safe in the mini portfolio. Stay organized with a handy Pokémon notepad. And don't forget the code card for the Pokémon trading card game online to continue the fun digitally. What we like. This collection offers multiple booster packs for expanding your card game. It also includes exclusive promo cards and a mini portfolio for safekeeping. If you're looking to enhance your Pokémon TCG collection with new cards and display options, this is a great choice. What people say. Awesome collector's item. Perfect for any Pokémon fan. Exclusive cards and goodies make it a must-have. My box came perfect. Not tampered with. Got some good pulls even for battle styles. Love these chests. My grandson was over the moon when I had this delivered to his house. Much better quality than the Pokémon binder I bought him, which broke within a month. This box came with cards as well, which I saw when he FaceTimed me to show me. Would definitely recommend. Number 4. Ultimate Slime Kit for Girls. Get ready for hours of fun with this Ultimate Slime Kit. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing slime creations. With over 50 different supplies, including vibrant colors, glitter, and unique beads, the possibilities are truly endless. You can make it your own. Make your slime stand out with our glow-in-the-dark feature. Watch it light up your creations in the dark for an extra magical touch. This kit is designed for safe and creative play. It's made with eco-friendly, non-toxic materials, ensuring worry-free fun for everyone. Looking for the perfect gift? This slime kit is ideal for birthdays, parties, or just because. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and develop motor skills. Our slime is washable and reusable, making cleanup a breeze. It's the perfect stress relief activity for kids and even teenagers. What we like. This kit provides an extensive array of over 50 slime-making supplies, including glow-in-the-dark options. It's crafted with a safe, non-toxic formula. If you're searching for a comprehensive and engaging activity that sparks creativity and offers hours of fun for kids and teens, this is the perfect pick. What people say. Very easy to use, not messy. There's tons of glitter and little items that can be added into each slime. Texture of the slime itself I loved, as it wasn't too sticky to where it leaves a huge mess if it was dropped on furniture. Number 3. Kotobukiya Pokémon Hilda and Tepig Artfx J statue. From the beloved world of Pokémon, we bring you the Hilda and Tepig statue. This collectible is a must-have for any fan of the series. This exquisite piece is a Japanese import from Kotobukiya, known for their high-quality collectibles. It's a testament to their craftsmanship. Directly inspired by the popular Nintendo game, this statue captures the essence of the characters you know and love. Relive your favorite moments. Beautifully sculpted in a 1:8 scale, this statue offers incredible detail and presence. It's designed to impress with its accurate proportions. Standing at an impressive 8.4 inches tall, it's the perfect size to display on your shelf or desk. It makes a bold statement in any collection. What we like. This is a beautifully sculpted statue from a popular game, standing at 8.4 inches tall in a 1:8 scale. It showcases intricate detail. If you are a collector or a fan who appreciates high-quality display pieces and wants to showcase a beloved character in a dynamic pose, this statue is an excellent addition to your collection. What people say. This Tepig is incredibly detailed and captures the essence of the character perfectly. The material used is high quality and feels durable, ensuring it will last. Its size is just right for display, not too big or too small, fitting well on shelves or desks. Number 2. Bandai Hobby Pokémon 14 Tepig Model Kit. Introducing the 14 Tepig Pokémon Model Kit from Bandai Hobby. Get ready for a quick and fun building experience. This model kit is designed for ease of assembly. You'll have your Tepig ready in no time. Bring the world of Pokémon to life with this official model kit. It's perfect for fans of all ages. Ensure you're getting a genuine product. Look for the Bandai Namco warning label on the box. Start your Pokémon collection or add to it with this exciting Tepig model. Order yours now. What we like. This is an officially licensed model kit designed for a quick and easy build. It's perfect for fans who enjoy assembling their favorite characters. If you're looking for a straightforward and satisfying building experience with a recognizable Pokémon, this model kit is ideal for you. What people say. It's great and easy to put together, and when it's together it's hard to get apart, so it's very durable, which I love. The Bandai Pokémon Quick Tepig Kit is exactly what it promises: a fast, simple build that's fun to put together. The pieces snap together easily with no glue or paint, so it's a satisfying little project you can finish in one sitting. Tepig comes out really cute, with the character's playful expression captured perfectly. It's small and light, so it fits neatly on a desk or shelf without taking up space, and even though it's a quick kit, it still feels like a proper collectible. Number 1. Emboar 025 163 Battle Styles Pokémon Card Lot. Introducing the Emboar 025 163 from the Battle Styles expansion. This is a fantastic addition for any Pokémon collector. This lot features a 3-card set, focusing on the evolution line. You'll get Pignite and Tepig alongside Emboar. Keep an eye out for a special surprise. Some of these cards may include a rare reverse foil version. Enhance your Pokémon TCG collection with these essential evolution cards. They are perfect for trainers looking to strengthen their decks. These cards are ready for battle and bring the power of the Battle Style set to your game. Add this exciting lot to your collection today. What we like. This lot features 3 evolution cards, including the featured Pokémon and its evolutions. There's also a chance to get a reverse foil version. If you're aiming to complete a specific evolution line in your Pokémon TCG deck or are looking for a chance to pull a rare foil card, this 3-card lot is a worthwhile purchase. What people say. The cards arrived early and in great condition. It also included a reverse Halo Emboar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.